Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to stay organized, manage tasks, and boost your daily productivity all in one feel free tool? In this video, I will show you how to use Trello to stay on top of your personal goals, tasks, and habits. Let's dive in. So, what is Trello? Trello is a visual task management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you stay organized. It's simple, flexible, and works for everything from daily to those to long-term goals. Let's start by creating a new board. Name it something like My Life Organizer or Daily Focus. Now create 3 to 5 lists. A common setup is go to Trello.com, create lists from boards, select your boards, then click add list from here. Inbox, to do, doing, done, etc. Inbox for where all your thoughts go. To do, tasks you will do soon. Doing, what you are working on now. Done, completed tasks, someday, future ideas or goals. Now let's add cards. Each card represents a task idea or reminder. You can click a card to open more options on it. Add due dates, checklists, attach file or links, label for categorize like personal, work, urgent. You can add member from here, just search member or join or leave. You can add label from here, then checklist. You can add checklist. From description, you can describe something like use markdown shortcuts to format your pages you type, like for lists, for headers, it is, and notes, and add notes or and comments under activity. Labels are great for organizing tasks by type or priority. For example, red for urgent, go to labels, red for urgent, click the pencil icon, then select create a type urgent, then click save. Blue for personal, green for work. That's it. You can filter by labels to focus only on what matters right now. Here's how to use Trello every day. Go back to dashboard. Start your day by day. Start by day. Start your day by reviewing your inbox and moving tasks to do. Pick 1 to 3 tasks to focus on and move them to doing. As you complete tasks, drag them to done. At the end of the day, review your progress and plan tomorrow. Simple drag and drop makes it feel satisfying and keeps you focused. Trello also has power-ups and mini plugins to add features like calendars, time tracking, or syncing With Google Calendar, great. If you want to see your tasks in a visual calendar view, Trello has a great mobile app so you can manage your tasks on the go. And while Trello doesn't have built-in reminders, due dates can trigger notifications on your phone or email. Now go to Tables tab. You can add payment methods from here. Click Add Payment Method. Then enter your card number, expiration date, CVV code, country name, and postal code. Then click Confirm the payment. From the left sidebar, you can see the view like calendar view, table view, timeline view. It is click calendar, then upgrade workspace to premium from here and choose one like standard or premium and follow the process. Go to members tab. You can invite via link. Just click invite with link, copy the link and send with email, WhatsApp, Messenger, and any other social media uh, platform. From boards, you can create a new boards. Click create, then create board, name it like every day, then choose the workspace private or public. From recent tab, you can select your recent workspace and follow the process for explore the board. From template section, you can use templates like one-on-one meeting, agenda, Agile board template, company overview. Just click on it and name it like that, and that's it. Then click create. And that's it, a simple way to use Trello for personal productivity. You can adapt the system to fit your lifestyle, whether you are student, freelancer, or just want to get more done. If this guide was helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more productivity tips, and comment below how you plan to use Trello. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.